All right, so everyone should have a GitHub repository. For the one online student, in case I don't get to you in time, you need to fork it. Remember to always check out and commit to your fork, and then when I push an update, you need to add me as the upstream and then pull the updates. We'll get to that in the second assignment. The first assignment's already up there, so by forking it, you get the first assignment. Oh yeah, let's look through the repository real quick. So in the repository, right now there's 3 directories. Cheat sheets, I have found a couple of cheat sheets that are going to be helpful for using inside the Linux environment. A couple of commands to help you get around, and then another cheat sheet if you decide to use Vim like I do. Those 2 are inside of that directory. That'll probably be pretty helpful. Lab 1 will be the first lab I'll assign today. We'll get to that later. You go inside the course materials directory, you have the syllabus. Syllabus is inside there, and inside of lectures you have basically the slides to these lectures are located in there. So that's how it's laid out. As you notice, I run pretty much everything from GitHub. The only thing we use Blackboard for is to post the syllabus because I'm required to, a link to GitHub, a link to the videos, and your gradebook. Just those 4 things. All right. The autograder. Did OP have the autograder? I know it probably didn't with Kim, or I'm sorry, what was your, I know your last name's Kim now.
Arnold.
Arnold, thank you, Arnold. Probably didn't when you probably didn't have an autograder when you took it.
Honestly, I can't remember, but I don't think it did.
Okay, but did you have one for OOP? Okay, great. So it's going to work the same way because it's the same autograder, except it's not going to tell you which test cases you fail. It's not going to mention if there was a timeout. You're going to have to figure that one out yourself. It will not say if there's a compilation error. You should be able to tell if there's a compilation error. It may give you a hint to which part of your lab you got right and wrong. Yes, I know that this is going to be annoying, but the point of this is you need to make sure that you thoroughly understand how, we're getting new students? No? You thoroughly understand how to write test cases on your own. I'm not going to hand out test cases from the autograder. The grade from the autograder should be pushed to your repository just like beforehand. You got that TXT with your grade in it. Great, perfect. It's going to be the exact same thing. Okay. Any question about the autograder? All right.